Haze. It's going down again.
Take a shot before you gotta go. Party like an animal. We don't need a real reason.
Nope.
We only get fucked up.
Yup.
All I need is my good friend. Hey, somebody fill my cup.
Let's go. Haze. Yes, sir. Let's go. Look, it's the weekend. Gather up your good friends. Dunking in the Benz. Grab the camera with the good lens. Flirting with all the 7, 8, 9s, and 10s. I really hope that this night just never ends. Then she asked me if my object's sex. She wanna party with me like it's Project X. Took Bacardi shots, then we hollered what's next. Shook it naughty on the dance floor. Looked over, saw my ex when I said,
don't you know? Grab yourself another one. I'ma be the 11 for. Hey, don't you know? Take a shot before you gotta go. Party like an animal. We don't need a real reason.
no, we don't.
We only get fucked up. All I need is my good friend.
That's all I need.
Somebody fill my cup.
Danny Haze. That feel good rap. Talk to him. So now my ex is vexed, asking me to dance. See my friends passing laughing, so I say no chance. Tonight's about the good time, sipping wine from France. Girls started tripping, now my wallet's spitting grants. Now pick a pretty girl you think is really stuck up. Approach her with a smile, say we're getting fucked up. See, ladies want a man, not always with that yup. So I filled the cup and showed her pictures of my cup up.
We don't need a real reason. Hey, we only get fucked up. All I need is my good friend. Hey, somebody fill my cup. Hey, we only get fucked up. Hey, somebody fill my cup.
At my place, blast a CD of my new stuff. Didn't think she smoked, but when I lit it, took a huge puff. We're blowing clouds, music loud up on my balcony. Feeling all this chemistry, would think we studied alchemy. Ask how I write my hits, grabbed her hand, jar a pip. Lighted up a spliff to go watch the moon and stars exist. So you know, don't have a fancy car or shit, but smart enough to pass the bar in the law school that I targeted. Because you just inhaled the latest that I harvested. She turned my hips, put her fingers on my lips. Cause I was talking too much, cause she lingered by my lips. Pushed me down onto the bed, I ain't talking about no clips. Grinding.
We don't need a real reason. Hey, we only get fucked up. All I need is my good friend.
It's on the beach.
Somebody fill my cup.
Let's have a good summer.